अभी हमारा जो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है वो हम कंटिन्यू करने जा रहे हैं। तो एक्सरसाइज 5.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, जिसमें ये पूछा गया है कि वेदर इट इज अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और नॉट, एंड इफ इट इज अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन व्हाट इज देयर कॉमन डिफरेंस। सो जनरली आपको मालूम होगा अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन किसको कहते हैं। जो जैसे A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, these are the terms of one of the arithmetic progression. So definition of arithmetic progression is so common difference between two any consecutive terms should be same. That is A2 minus A1. Suppose it is common difference is denoted by letter D. So A2 minus A3, A3 minus A2, it also should be D. A4 minus A3, it also should be D, and so on. It is AN and AN plus 1 terms. So AN plus 1 minus AN, this also should be D. So if this common difference D is exist in all between two terms, then that series or sequence A1, A2, A3 will be arithmetic progression. Okay, so already we have learned this. So in this example, whether it is arithmetic progression or not. So as for definition of arithmetic progression, common difference you have to find out. So here A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, A4 is 16, and so on. You can write. So here for to determine the common difference, A2 you subtract A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2. You subtract first term from second term, that is A2 minus A1, so that will be equal to 2. Similarly, now you subtract second term from third term, यानी जो second term है वो third term से माइनस कीजिए, that is A3 minus A2, and that will be 8 minus 4, and that will be equal to 4. So here if you take three terms, so it is found that here common difference is 2 between A2 and A1. ये जो दो है, ये पहले दो टर्म का जो डिफरेंस है वो 2 है, और नेक्स्ट जो दो टर्म है सेकंड और थर्ड, उसका जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है 4 है. सो इट इज नॉट सेम. कॉमन डिफरेंस that is A2 minus A1 is not equal A3 minus A2, क्योंकि यहाँ 2 है और ये 4 है. So common difference is not same. That is we can write common difference D is not same or equal, and therefore given given sequence is not arithmetic progression. So this is not arithmetic progression. Okay.